are you today?
Doing okay.
Good. Okay, why don't you have a seat right there?
Okay.
So, how are you doing? How's your day going?
Just been busy.
You've been busy. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, I've been really busy too. But we're going to have so much fun in therapy today. Halloween's coming up. So we're going to read the book, There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Bat.
That looks fun.
Yes, so it's going to be a super fun book. So, we're going to read the book, and then after, you're going to tell me what the old lady swallowed in order. Okay?
Okay.
So
I'll try.
really pay attention with your ears, with your eyes, so that at the end you can tell me. Okay? Let's get
Okay.
started.
Okay.
There was an old lady who swallowed a bat. There was an old lady who swallowed a bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. There was an old lady who swallowed an owl. My, oh my, she started to howl. This is a silly book.
That's silly.
She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. What do you think? Now she's so fat.
Cat.
Bat and cat, those are really good rhyming words, aren't they? Good job. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. There was an old lady who swallowed a ghost. What do you think? She liked it the most. She swallowed the ghost to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. So we're about halfway through. So let's just think about what the old lady has swallowed this far. So can you remember the very first thing that the old lady swallowed?
I think it was a bat.
A bat. Good job. Can you remember what's this? Then the old lady swallowed an
Owl.
owl. Good job. Let's keep thinking. The third thing that she swallowed in the book. It's not on this page. So the bat, the owl,
A cat.
the cat. Good. And then the fourth thing, remember she liked it the most. What did she swallow?
A ghost.
A ghost. Great job. Okay, so let's keep that in mind so we can retell at the end. There was an old lady who swallowed a goblin. It made her so dizzy she started to spin. Do you ever get dizzy?
Yeah.
Yes.
On the swing set.
On the swing set, that's right. She swallowed the goblin to scare the ghost. Ooh.
That's scary.
She swallowed the ghost to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. There was an old lady who swallowed some bones. There were so many, she started to groan. She swallowed the bones to rattle the goblin. She swallowed the goblin to scare the ghost. She swallowed the ghost to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to chase the owl. She swallowed the owl to shush the bat. I don't know why she swallowed a bat. Imagine that. She's a silly old lady.
Mm-hmm.
There was an old lady who swallowed a wizard to cast a spell so she could yell. Trick or treat!
Yeah, I like that book.
Yeah, did you like it?
I did.
Good.
Fun.
It's a really fun book. It's one of my favorites. Oh, and at the end she says, burp.
I bet.
What should we probably say? Excuse me, after we burp, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that was such a fun book. Okay, so Karen, let's think about it. So you did really good halfway through remembering what our sequence was. Let's go back through and think. What was the first thing that this old lady swallowed?
I think it was a bat.
A bat. Good job. What would you say the second thing is that the old lady swallowed? So I know it's kind of hard, but you can do it.
An owl?
An owl. Good job. What was the third thing that the old lady swallowed? The third thing.
A cat.
A cat. Good job. The fourth thing that the old lady swallowed.
Which one are,
I know. Fourth thing that she swallowed.
A ghost.
A ghost. Good job. What was the fifth thing that she swallowed?
I don't remember.
You can't remember that one? That's okay. Let's look back together.
A long time.
That is a long time. Okay, so we remembered she liked the ghost the most, right? So let's see. What did she swallow next?
Let's see, what was that called? A
That's okay.
goblin. A
Goblin. Good job, Karen. That's right. You're doing so good remembering. I'm really, really proud of you because I know these are a lot of things to remember. Good job. Remember, it made her so dizzy she started to spin. Okay, good job. Let's think about the sixth thing that the old lady swallowed. You're doing really good.
I need help.
Okay, you need help? Okay, that's okay. So, a skeleton has what on it? They're all they're white and they're connected, and we have these all in our body. It's called, what are those called?
Bones.
Bones. Good job. Have you ever broken a bone?
My arm one time.
Your arm one time? Yeah, I've broken some bones too. Okay, and the very last thing, I know you can do this. What's the very last thing that the old lady swallowed? Let's think about it. So the last thing were bones. The very, very last thing that she swallowed before she...
A wizard.
A wizard! Good job. You're so good at that. Because then at the very end of the book, what did she say? What were the words that she said? Do you remember?
And we had to say, excuse, Bert.
Good, Bert. But right before Bert was...
I don't remember.
So when you go trick-or-treating with your family or your friends or whoever on Halloween, and you're at somebody's door and you ring the doorbell and you say...
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat! Yes! And at the very end, you already got it. She said, Bert. I am so proud of you today. And because you did so good remembering what she swallowed in order, you get to choose. Oh, if I can pick them up, you get to choose from these stickers. Which one would you like? You can have one off.
I like a blue smiley.
A blue smiley. I love it. Here you go, Miss Karen. Good job today. I'm so proud of you, and you did really, really good. You remembered all of the things in order, and we'll continue to read more books next time, and you get more stickers, and we're going to have so much fun in therapy. So thank you so much for coming today and being really good in therapy. Thank you.